Hello and thank you for stopping by. I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a product review on some Bluetooth headphones. And I'd like to thank the folks at Letsfit for sending this out for our review. So, without further ado, let's get at it. Well, folks, so now we're going to go ahead and open this box up and see what's going on the inside. Like it says on the box, it's wireless sports headphones. So, and well, let's go and open this up. I'm curious. Let's open this up. So I'm figuring out how to open it up. Oh, there I see some tape here, so I'm gonna take that off. Let's see if I can take it off with my fingernail. Okay. Maybe I should have longer fingernails. Okay, I think I got it. There we go. I'm gonna take the whole tape off. That's just me trying to be a neat freak. Alright, now we're gonna open this up and see what's on the inside. There we go. Oh, okay. Oh, it opens up like this. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Opens up like that. Okay, I can see. Alright, so we'll take this out. And that's the design. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, we're gonna play around with this for a little bit. I'm seeing some interesting stuff on here. Oh, we got gift cards and coupons on here. Okay. Okay, this is the Bluetooth manual for the headphones. That's interesting. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be reading this shortly to figure out how to operate this. Oh, okay, let's get at it. And I see that it also has its own pouch. Interesting. Let's open this pouch up. Alright, so inside the pouch itself, I'm going to get to this stuff right here first. Okay, from what I understand, what I'm looking at right now, I believe these like the earbuds that go on the headphones themselves. Let's take a few of them out of the package here, just to see what they look like. Alright. So, you got these right here. You can put on top of the headphones. Okay, well that's interesting. Okay, I'm seeing that. But check out what I'm also seeing in this package here. Actually, let me just go and get you a close up on it. Okay, I'm seeing the other earbuds on here. Like you can, you got these like I showed before, and then you got the ones that just look like the golden straight in your ear kind that's in here. So they got all sorts of coverings for this headphone. Okay, well, that's interesting. Alright, put that to the side. And okay, and I'm pretty sure this is the cable, the plug you use to recharge your these headphones. So that to the side. Yep, USB. So get a 5-volt adapter, plug it to this side, plug this into your headphones, recharge them. Alright, I see that. Okay. And of course, the headphones themselves. And as you can see, they already got their own earbuds on them already. I see that already. Okay, that's cool. And I'm definitely going to be putting these on to see how they sound. Okay, I noticed they got a bunch of buttons on here. Okay. You got your volume buttons. Volume go up, volume go down buttons here. And of course, you got the middle button here. Okay. Oh, and here's the part where you plug in. Okay, I see. This is where you plug this in. So you can recharge them, see? That way you better recharge these. Okay. That's cool. Alright. Well, I'm definitely going to try these out. Actually, I'm going to read the manual on these. And figure out how. Whoa, I just noticed something, folks. I just noticed something. I was playing around with just now, and I just noticed that they stick together. Oh, that's interesting. My guess is, okay. Well, that's interesting. You see that? They stick together. So you can definitely wear this like a bracelet, and then they'll come together. They'll hang from your neck. And you don't have to worry about these getting caught on anything. Oh, that's cool. I like that. That's a nice surprise. See that? Oh, I love that. That's cool. Wow. So you don't worry about these things getting caught up on anything. You just wear this like a necklace and they'll stay together. Okay, I like that. All right. I'm really excited to read the manual to find out more about these. So I'm gonna get back at you. Stay tuned. Okay, folks. After doing some reading through this manual right here, I just found out how to pair these to the phone. So I got my smartphone right here, and I got these. So first thing I'm gonna do is turn these on by long pressing this middle button here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, see? It's on. And we all know what that familiar on and off things is for. It's waiting for it to be connected to a Bluetooth device. So we can go ahead and search on the cell phone. Go to our settings. And that's what we're looking for right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pair it, but I'm going to bring these up so you can see it, what happens. Alright, so you see it blinking on and off. We're going to go ahead and pair it. And it's connected. See? It's just paired up now. So now it's connected. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my TikTok channel. No, not Play Store. TikTok. Alright. I'm going to turn it up loud. Oh, it's preventing me from turning it up too loud, but I'm going to turn it up loud anyway. Maybe you can hear it. I'm gonna pick one of my videos so we can actually see what's going on. I'm gonna go to my TikTok channel here. Alright, so I'm gonna look for one of my videos that's a little loud. Alright, I'm gonna play this one right here. Oh, see, I got the headphones really close to the camera so you can hear them. Well, that sounds impressive. I'm gonna put these on my head. I'm gonna put these on my ears and see what they sound like for real. Alright. I'm putting them on now. Wow. This sounds really nice. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take these out. I'm going to take these outside. And I'm definitely going to try them out. So stay tuned in the next scene. We're going to be outside with these. Okay, folks, I wanted to add this little tidbit before we go outside with these. In the manual, it does mention that there's a clip that you got to put on these headphones to use them. As a matter of fact, there's a picture of it. Didn't notice it before until I started getting the headphones together and everything. So you got to put this clip on the headphones first. So basically, what you do is you'll go inside this bag here that comes with it. Get this clip out that I got in my hand right here. And what you would do is clip this one clip, basically squeeze the wire in one side of the clip like so. I'm going to show you. Just kind of squeeze it in there. Like so, see? Squeeze it in there. That's secure. That's on there, see? And then you squeeze this in the other side. Now, the reason that you got the clip on here is so that when you're wearing these, you can clip the headphones themselves to your head, like so, when you move this up and down. So your ear's gonna be, you're gonna have these in your ear, and then you can just clip these on so they won't be all over the place onto your head and everything. So that's cool. Alright, just wanted to add that little tidbit in there. So now let's go outside and play with these. Hey folks, alright, well, I've been out here playing with these headphones for a little bit. I even caught my wife on these, and she likes them. I played with them a little bit, and basically the sound quality is pretty good. I listen to some music and stuff, and it's wonderful, you know. Just a wonderful set of headphones. And it's cool. I'm just getting from work and everything, and you know, I'm a little tired, but that's okay. These earphones still work though. So you know, I'm gonna provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video, so you better get this for yourself and enjoy these. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.